Okay, let's style her, and I'm gonna do a little trim here because this is the a wig I did myself first time. The top part you see is ventilated. There on the right side you can see somehow shining through some wefts. And we need to clean this off. It looks, yeah, homeless. Let's put the canva head straight, maybe like 5 degrees to the front, and I start by dragging pieces to the front and slowly trimming it off. As I did ventilate with different lengths, I have created soft layers, so now I just have to clean it off and create a nice gradual line where I connect it with the layers. And I do lift up a little bit the face framing layers. I love layers. I think it's so amazing that they're now in trend, and it's much more beautiful with the curls and everything. So yeah, everybody needs layers. And pay attention here. You see the top area when I lift it, I cut from the top, so it also makes sense. But to get a nice blunt line at the back, you gather it all in one point, and from the center area where you got the anchor line, you cut it off and go as you see. And to get it more blunter, see, I do it from the other side, the same thing. I kind of cut it under, and then a couple of soft layers because I want to create the move. I want to connect it, but I don't want too much because if you're going to cut too much in weft, you're going to see the lines, and we don't want that. We want it to look natural. Nobody needs to know we're wearing a wig. And here I separated out the nape area, and basically with Dyson, alterating directions, roll it with a round brush. I want to have just a nice salon ready blow dry on this girl. If I move it around, it's not too tight but soft looking. Middle part, and yeah, you see me spraying, please spray. I like it. And the right side and left side, both of the sides away from the face, they meet in the middle where they connect. I'm also testing on this wig for styling as a base, a little magic potion, but I'm gonna come with more information later on. It could literally save life on like old wigs, creating back smoothness. But I have to test it. It worked on one of my old ponytails, but I don't know how it's gonna be with other hair. Maybe it was just magic and good, astrological day to do that. But top part as well, you see, everything is away from the face. Some areas I'm recurling and some not, more tighter on the sides. And when I finish, I leave it like 5-10 minutes just to stay there, just cool down. Because it's like cuticles, right? Even though they're removed, this is Asian hair, it's like bleached and pre-colored and everything. But to ventilate this wig, actually, I have a video with the cap where I make it, and it's totally DIY. It's made custom, so if you look at it, you could actually have good tips how you can do it yourself. Because now I realized was the difference if it's like custom made to your head. You don't want to take it off. It feels so comfortable and everything. But you see, like here, like the directions how it falls, and my hairline is strange. The way how my ears stand is strange. I have more of a larger size, and medium-sized wigs I was buying, it was just like I don't complain. I had a facelift when I glued them on, but I'm just sometimes too lazy. I don't want to glue them all the time. And you see even the sideburns. Yeah, I have a lot of hair, kind of not thick, but a lot of everywhere. And the tones as well, I did 4 till 5 colors, but I still gonna do a little bit of root tap to finish it off. But you see, like the cut, it's nice and thick and glamorous looking. It's not ratched, it's not too thinned out, and the color and the movement, I can just flick it this way, that way, and it's amazing. Yeah, I think I say amazing too many times. But yeah, if you like this, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you. Bye.